I will introduce one cooler to you. There is two models. Here, this is a single one. This is a dual one. We will introduce the dual one at first. Stainless steel door with the stainless steel handle. One handle we can make different handle also. It is in 120 liters, around 40 bottles. Yeah, here is the control panel. This is power button. This is the light button. For these two buttons, it can adjust the temperature. The temperature is from 5 to 20 centigrade. And there is a child lock function. Press two buttons. While there is warning, all the buttons will be locked. This is safe for the children. If you press those two buttons 3 seconds again, it will be unlocked. About the door, it can be made with 4 glass or so. Print your logo in the door.